So let's start today's drawing. For that, again I'm going to draw one straight line, little bit wiggly and all these. That's totally fine. If you want to use ruler, yes, you can use the ruler. And now I'm going to do plus sign. So with the plus sign, I'm going to define this is going to be the head and this is going to be the body. So for the head, I'm again going to draw plus sign over here, because then I can decide how big circle I want. So kind of like this I want, and then I'm going to draw a circle, little bit rough idea. Again, this is the point. I will go inside here and I will go inside here. Here is these two lines. Now from here I'm going to turn and make the jigs down here. Same thing I will do here. Extra lines and all these, whatever is bothering you, please erase them. Now let's start the beak. So this is my plus sign, little bit down from here. I can curve this one. Basic is like a alphabet V upside down, but this side I will pull this one a little bit down, and then from here I have to curve this one. So let me erase this guideline a little bit, and from here it's curvy and going in like side face and turning the way this one is turning. Go here, this will go not all the way here, a little bit in like this way. One dot will be here and this is going to be the highlighted area, and I have to make it a little bit smaller. So this is the one, so I will go here and this much. Now we have to draw the eye. So this is the big part, very close to this one. I will start and it will go up here because it's a really big eye, and more circly. And this side is also going to be, but slightly I'm tilting this one. I'm going to draw some hairs like this. Even here. Eyebrow will go up here. This will also go up here. So kind of curvy triangle. I'm going to draw one circle here, and this side, this will be here. Reflection will be here. Now from here I'm going to draw the body. So for that I have to decide how big the body is going to be. So this side I will start from here. I don't want really big body, but it's totally up to you. You can draw bigger, and from here a little bit and down, and this side I want more. I'm thinking from here, so I will go here like a up little bit and then slightly down like alphabet S, and then it will go up here. So it's really deep, not that deep. From here the wings will start and it will go all the way up here. Like a hand, and this is totally fine. From here we can do the tail part, and this one we can do like and this is the middle line, still I can see. So from here I will start. So I'm crossing this middle line. Let me make it a little bit dark. So this is my middle line. I'm crossing this one here and wider here and then skinnier here, and this will go not really long I want. So right now it's getting really long. Maybe here like that, and here 1 and then 2, 3 and 4 like this. This one is going to be smaller than this one, so kind of like that. The other one I will start like 1, 2 and 3, and this will go up here and a little bit wider here and then skinnier here. Now for this one I will use just like a finger one, and then second one will be like this, and third one will be like this, and slowly by slowly I will turn all of them. Same thing, I will do one here, second one here, third one, and then this way, and I will make a tiny triangle here.